Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine and enjoying your time at your home. Dear students, welcome to your social studies lesson. And our topic is celebrations Eid. As you know that we had started the topic previously, and today we are going to do the reading of page number 50 and 51 of the textbook. So please students, quickly take out your textbook, a scale, pencil, eraser and sharpener, and keep all these things in front of you. Okay students, first of all let's discuss the learning objective, means the things that you are going to learn today. Today in the end of the lesson, all of you will be able to explain the importance of helping others. You will be able to explain the importance of respecting people who are different from us, and you will be able to know more about Eid by watching a video. Dear students, these are the learning objectives, means you are going to learn the importance of helping others, and you are going to learn that what is the importance of respecting people who are different from us. And in the end of the lesson you can watch there will be a link of the video that will help you for the better understanding of the topic. Dear students, now let's start the reading of page number 50, but take out your social studies textbook and keep it in front of you, and hold a scale, pencil and sharpener with you, because you have to write down date and day on the top of the page, and after that you have to underline the difficult words. So please hold the scale and your pencil and draw a line on the top of the page like this, and you will write down this one date and day. Tuesday, classwork, 18th May 2021. The date is Tuesday, classwork, 18th May 2021. Tuesday spellings are Tuesday, Tuesday, CLASSWORK, classwork, 18th May 2021. I hope all of you are writing date and day, and your writing should be neat and clean. Now our topic is celebrations Eid, and the subtitle is Eid Mubarak. But first of all, let's discuss the things that we learned previously, means in the previous two pages. In previous two pages of the topic, we learned that Muslims keeps the fasts in the whole month of Ramzan. Ramzan is a holy month. In the month of Ramzan, we keep fasts. We start the fast from the sunrise till sunset, and we have to follow all the things, all the rules as Allah told us. And then we learn that Muslims celebrates Eid in the end of the month of Ramzan, when they saw new moon on the sky. After that, I told you about the new moon, that a moon complete its cycle in almost 28 days, and after that a new cycle starts, mean a new moon starts. Slowly its size increased, and on the 14th date of the moon we can see the full moon on the sky, and after that the size of the moon starts to decrease, and after the 28th of that month we can start the new month with a new moon. And in the next one page we learn that Rafe, Hiba and Dada, they were going to Auntie Fatima's house, and Rafe was too much excited, and on the way they saw the traffic lights. There were three colors of the traffic lights: red, orange and green. Red means stop, orange means wait, and green means go. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now dear students, now let's start the reading of page number 50. Eid Mubarak. They are near Auntie Fatima's house. Underline house. House house. Rafi is very hungry. Please underline hungry. Hungry hungry. Baba sees a poor family beside the road. Underline poor family. Poor poor family family. Poor family. Let's give them our food, he says. Baba gives them all the food. Eid Mubarak. Please underline the word Eid Mubarak. He says to them. Soon they reach Auntie Fatima's house. Eid Mubarak, she says and hugs them. Please underline hugs. Hugs hugs. Come in and open your Eid presents. Dear students, please underline Eid presents. EID Eid. Presents presents. Rafi gives her his card. What a lovely card! Underline lovely. 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 She says, Thank you, Rafi. Please underline thank you. ThankYou. Thank you, Rafi. Giving the card makes Rafi feel really happy. Underline really happy. REALLY really. HAPPY happy. Really happy. Later, all the family sit down and have a delicious lunch. Underline delicious lunch. DELICIOUS delicious. LUNCH lunch. Rafi is glad that he was patient. Please underline the word patient. PATIENT patient. Okay students, now open page number 51 of your textbook and write down classwork on the top of the page. And the spellings of classwork are CLASSWORK classwork. It is a very interesting page. Hold your pencils in your hand and underline the difficult words with me. Some people are young, some people are old. First of all, dear students, please underline young and old. YOUNG young. OLD old. Some hair is black, some hair is gold. Please underline black and gold. BLACK black. GOLD gold. Please students underline black and gold. Some people are short. Underline the spellings of short. SHORT short. Some people are tall. Underline tall. TALL tall. Some hands are big. Some hands are small. Underline hands. HANDS hands. Some people are foolish. Some people are wise. Dear students, please underline the spellings of foolish. FOOLISH foolish. And now underline the spellings of wise. WISE wise. Some people are truthful. Some people tell lies. Underline truthful. TRUTHFUL truthful means the person who always speaks the truth. Please underline the spellings of truthful. TRUTHFUL THFUL, truthful. Come on the next one line. Some people are poor, some people are rich. Underline the spellings of rich. RICH, rich. Some people are Muslim. Underline the spellings of Muslim. MUSLIM, Muslim. Some people are Sikh. Underline Sikh, SIKH, Sikh. Some people are Christian. Some people are Hindu. First of all, underline the spellings of Christian. CHRISTIAN, Christian. And then underline the spellings of Hindu. HINDU, Hindu. The last one line, they can all be my friends and you can too. Okay, dear students, we had done the reading of page number 51, and here we learned that everyone is different from each other. Our color complexions are different. Someone is black, someone is white, and our languages are different, as some people speaks English, some people speaks Urdu, and there are many other languages like Spanish, French, Persian. So our languages are different, our features are different. Some people have long hair, some have short hair. Some people are wise and some people are foolish. Foolish means the man who is not wise. And after that, some people always speaks the truth and some people always tell the lies. So dear students, we all are different from each other. And in the last two lines, we came to know about the 4 religions. We are Muslims. And the other 3 religions are, first is Muslim, Sikh, Christian, Hindu. Muslims, Sikh, Christian, Hindu. These 4 are the religions. Okay, dear students, now come on the discussion points. Eid is a festival. Muslims celebrate 2 Eids in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. Rafi made an Eid card for his auntie. Rafi's Baba gave their food to a poor family. We should help poor people by giving some food, clothes and money. Helping others make us feel happy. Yes, students, I hope it is clear to all of you that we are Muslims, and Muslims celebrates 2 Eids in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha. And when we help each other, we feel happy, we feel relaxed, and we can help the poor people by giving them food, clothes and money. The main thing is to help the poor people. After that, Muslims celebrates Eid and non-Muslims also celebrates festivals. Yes, dear students, as we are celebrating 2 Eid, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Azha, same like this, other religions are also celebrating some festivals. Every religion have their own festivals. First of all, let's recall the names of the religions. Muslims, Hindu, Sikh, Christian. These 4 are the religions. Christians celebrate Christmas, Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi, Hindus celebrate Diwali. Dear students, these are the festivals of the different religions. Christians celebrate Christmas. All of you know very well that all the Christians celebrate Christmas on 25th December of every year. it is the festival of the Christians, and they celebrate it just like Muslims as they offer their prayers. But the difference is Muslims offer their prayers at mosque and Christians offer the prayers at church. Christians goes to the church for the prayer. They arrange family lunch or the dinner, and they also give presents to each other, and they also buy the new clothes for the festival. So the people of the different religions are also celebrating the festivals just like Muslims. Now come on the festival of Sikhs. Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi. Dear students, as Muslims celebrates Eid, Christians celebrate Christmas. Same like this, Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi. Baisakhi is a festival, a spring harvest festival that Sikhs celebrate to celebrate for the good harvest. After that, Hindus celebrate Diwali. Diwali is the festival of Hindus. They also offer their prayers. Sikh offer their prayers at Gurdwara, and Hindus offers their prayers at temple. And on Diwali, they lighten their houses. They also arrange the family lunch and the family dinners. They give presents to each other. Same like this, Sikhs also give presents to each other, arrange food for the family members, and everyone buy new suits for the Eid, Christmas, Baisakhi or Diwali. All the festivals are same in this sense that all the people celebrate in the same way, but the religions are the different, names are the different, and the reasons are the different. People belong to all religions, say prayers, give presents, help the poor, and share a meal with their families. The thing that I told you, that people either they belongs to Muslims, Christians, Sikhs or Hindus, they all say their prayers, give presents, help the poor, and share a meal with their families. People look different from each other in all over the world. Even students, the people who are living in the same house, they also look different from each other, as their skin, hair, colors and languages are different. Yes, everyone is different from each other. Our color complexion is different, our heights are different, our hair are different, even our languages are different. We all are different from each other. Their religions are different, but they all are same. Yes, dear students, the religions of the world of the people are different, but the people relates to every religion, celebrates some festivals, and on each festival the way to celebrate is same in all the religions. Islam is equal for everyone. Yes, students, Islam gives equal things for everyone, equal rights for everyone. We can share our happiness with everyone, either he is Muslim or non-Muslim. Yes, dear student, the main thing is to share the happiness with each other. Either the person who is in front of you, he is Muslim or non-Muslim. It is our right to share the happiness with everyone. Okay, dear students, these are I will show you 2 slides that will help you to understand that how we celebrate Eid. On the day of Eid, we goes to the mosque and offer the prayers. Then we start to celebrate the festival. As Muslims goes to mosque, same like this, Hindus goes to temple, Christian goes to church, and Sikhs goes to Gurdwara for the prayers. And here you can see that When Muslims see the new moon, then we offer the prayer, we greet each other and said Eid Mubarak. Then we eat the delicious thing that the female members of the house made for the family. Okay students, we have done the reading of page number 50 and 51. Now we are going to do the written work on your notebook. We are starting the written work on the notebook, so please take out your social studies notebook and keep it in front of you, and then start to prepare the page. Open a new page, sharpen your pencil first, then start writing. First of all, you will write down the day, and the day is Tuesday, Tuesday, Tuesday. Classwork, 18th May 2021. Please write down date and day on the very top of the page. On the red one line, write down proper date and day. Tuesday, classwork, 18th May 2021. I hope all of you have done. Now come on the very first one line, and in the middle of the line you will write down the topic, and the topic is celebrations Eid. Your topic is celebrations Eid. The spellings of celebrations are CELEBRATIONS. Celebrations Eid. 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 I hope all of you have done. Now come on the very next line. Here you will write down answer these questions. ANSWER. Answer. THESE. These questions. 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 Answer these questions. After that, you will write down the very first one question. Copy down the question on the notebook, and the question is, how many Eids Muslims celebrate in a year? Please copy down the question, how many Eids Muslims celebrate in a year? Students, all of you know the answer, that Muslims celebrates two Eids in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr comes after the month of Ramadan. In the whole month of Ramadan, Muslims keep fasts, and in the end of the month, when we saw new moon on the sky, then we celebrate Eid al-Fitr. And now come on Eid al-Adha. Muslims celebrates Eid al-Adha in the month of Zulhajj, and on this Eid we sacrifice the animals like cows, sheep, camels. I hope you are writing the answers. Please write down, Muslims celebrates two Eids in a year. Number one is Eid al-Fitr and number two is Eid al-Adha. Dear students, please copy down question number 1. How many Eids Muslims celebrate in a year? And the answer is, Muslims celebrates two Eids in a year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr spellings are EIDULFITR, Fitr, Eid al-Fitr. And Eid al-Adha spellings are EIDULAZHA, Eid al-Adha. I hope you have done. Now come on question number 2. Write down the names of different religions. Dear students, please copy down the question, and the question is, write down the names of different religions. you have to write down the names of 4 religions that we discussed in page number 50 of the textbook. 50 and 51, yes. There are 4 religions. First of all, our religion is Muslim. We are Muslim. So, very first religion is Muslim. After that, Hindus, Christians, Sikh. These are the 4 religions, and you have to write down the answers. Muslim spellings are Muslims, Muslims, Sikh, Sikh, Hindu, Hindu, and the last one is Christians, Christians, Christians. Please, dear students, write down the answers. 4 religions are Muslims, Sikh, Christians, and Hindus. I hope all of you have done. Now I am going to show you the answer key. Please try to write down the answers by yourself, and after that you will match your answers with the answer key and you will do the corrections. As the very first one question is, how many Eids Muslims celebrate in a year? And the answer is, Muslims celebrate 2 Eids in a year. Eid al-Fitr, Eid al-Azha. These are 2 Eids that Muslims celebrates in a year. I hope all of you have done. This is question number 2. Write down names of different religions. And there are 4 religions: Muslims, Hindus, Christians, and Sikhs. Dear students, these are the 4 religions. We are Muslims. Muslims celebrates Eid, and Muslim offer their prayers at mosque. After that, Hindu celebrates Diwali, Holi, and they offer their prayers at temple. After that come on Christians celebrate Christmas on the 25th December of every year, and they offer their prayers at church. After this, Sikhs celebrate Baisakhi, and they offer their prayers at Gurdwara. I hope all of you have done the answer of these 2 questions. Okay, dear students, this is the link of the video. All of you have to watch this video. It is the very interesting video about Ramzan and Eid, that how Muslims celebrates the Eid al-Fitr. So please, all of you have to watch this video. Copy the link from here and watch it. It will help you for the better understanding of the topic. After that, thank you, dear students, to be here with me. I hope all of you will do the reading and the written work properly in the neat handwriting, and inshallah we all will meet on Friday in a live lesson. Till Friday, take care of yourself and your family members. Allah Hafiz.